Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm gonna talk about a tip, a remedy which you should do on Diwali day. And if you do this remedy, then you will multiply your money, your wealth, you will protect your wealth. If you do this particular remedy, your money, your wealth will multiply in the coming year. And not only that, it will protect your wealth, money, etc., etc., etc. This particular remedy will prevent unnecessary expenditures in the coming year. I mean, there will be no wasteful expenditure in your life in the coming year. So, in order to please Ma God Lakshmi, you have to take 4 pieces of cardamoms, 4 pieces of cloves, 4 pieces of red chilies, 4 pieces of green chilies, 4 pieces of camphor, and 4 pieces of black pepper. Put all these things on a red cloth and tie that red cloth. Rotate that red cloth 9 times in an anti-clockwise direction in front of that cupboard where you keep your money, your fixed deposits, your gold, your silver, etc., etc., etc. If you are doing your prayers in an office, then you can do it in front of your cash box or that money locker. Once you complete rotating that red cloth, then take that red cloth and burn it inside your house. You have to put some mustard oil before you burn that red cloth. You can burn it in your house or outside your house. You can burn it in your office or outside your office. Well, this particular remedy will only work for 1 year. That means this particular remedy is for this Diwali only. And if you do this remedy, I am certain that you will multiply your money, your wealth, your riches in the coming year. And if you want to protect your wealth in the coming 1 year, then you should do this remedy. This particular remedy is according to Vedic principles. And if you do this remedy, I am certain you will be successful and prosperous this coming year. From this Diwali to next Diwali. Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.